To make money on the internet you need an effective marketing plan. So here is the best marketing tips that you must follow to make your website a powerful magnet for traffic and sales. Number 1, banner advertising. Although many marketers already know about the pay-per-click search engines, very few are purchasing guaranteed banner click-throughs that are available on hundreds of sites. Look for sites that cater to your target market and look for, or ask for, their advertising rates. Slowly but surely most of the sites that sold banner impressions are starting to offer performance advertising in the form of pay-per-click. Number 2, write articles. Writing articles is an excellent way to promote your website, and best of all you can get recognized as an internet business expert. This is very easy to do, for people that don't know how to write real good yet look at other articles to get good ideas, don't steal them. After you write an article, insert a link to your site and there you go. If you don't know what to write, just write what you know best. You must have some knowledge or experience in one domain, don't you? Number 3, exchange links. Exchanging links is one of the best methods for getting website traffic and ranking higher with search engine. When you start a site you should exchange many as possible links with sites that are related to your site. Search engines robots are eager to find new links and fresh information. Number 4, mailing list. Having a mailing list can bring wonders to a website. Not only will it help bring old visitors back, but they will send the newsletter to their friends, if they like it. This is like gold for you. The only real purpose for a consumer website is to capture leads and to sell products. By leads I mean email addresses. You want to build up a customer list and then you want to work it repeatedly. Send out a monthly e-zine that offers free valuable information and mentions similar products they may be interested in. They may see something that a friend of theirs will want to buy from you. Number 5, search engine optimization. It is no secret that search engines are the number one traffic generating method for driving visitors to websites. Search engines are very useful in helping people find the relevant information they seek on the internet. The major search engines develop and maintain their own gigantic database of websites that can be searched by a user typing in a keyword or keyword phrase in the search box. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of studying the search engines in an effort to determine how to get your website to rank high on user searches. Depending on the statistical information reviewed, search engines account for over 80% of the visitor traffic to websites. Number 6, pay-per-click. It is good to get traffic, but it is even better to get sales. Pay-per-click advertising is a great way to pull targeted traffic. Could anything be better? In many cases, pay-per-sale advertising is a better choice. With pay-per-clicks, you may or may not make sales. With a pay-per-click program, there's very little or even no risk. You only pay when you make sales. Affiliate programs and joint ventures are examples. Set up deals where you pay only for each sale. Number 7, free online forum. The forum can be on any topic that they are most interested in. One forum can be about online business. Another forum can be about joint ventures. When people join those forums, make sure that they need to come to your site first and log in from there, if they want to log on and post on the forum. Number 8, give something for free. Free ebooks or software is a good way to bring on visitor and to keep them at your site. Visitors like to receive free offers. Entice your visitors with freebies and have them coming back for more. Number 9, postcard. Simple low-cost postcards have become a valuable internet business tool for modern marketers. They can produce a wave of traffic to your website or a flood of high-quality sales leads. Number 10, market statistic. You can use features on your website such as visitor polls, online surveys and your website statistics to find out what your customers like more and how they feel about certain aspects of your business to determine how you can improve your product and the way you do business. Number 11, free advertising. There is a lot of free advertising on the internet. There is classified ads, free for all pages, FFA, e-zine, article submission and newsgroup of course, and many more. Number 12, blogging. Blogs are a relatively new and popular way to publish content on the internet. They allow the blogger to publish content very quickly and get feedback from the people that read it. Because they are new and content is created regularly, search engines love indexing them, and if search engines love them, you should too. Number 13, real syndicated content. RSS marketing is a tool used by many on the internet to deliver articles, advertisements, emails, customer support responses, e-zines to clients and potential clients. It is also a good way to rank higher on search engines and traffic from different websites with RSS.